How to get your Clash Royale account back. I will walk you through this step by step to get it back and start playing again. Open your Clash Royale application. Then from the home page, tap onto the three horizontal lines. In the pop-up, select Settings. If you haven't linked your account to Supercell ID yet, you can do so now to recover your progress. Tap Supercell ID in the settings and then follow the on-screen instruction to log in or create a new Supercell ID. Then if you are trying to recovery, if you already have a Supercell ID and lost access, you have to tap on Forget your Supercell ID. As for me, I have just started the game, so I haven't accessed the Supercell ID. For you guys, you may have already connected your account, so you just have to tap on Forget your Supercell ID. Then enter email address associated with your account to recover your login details. Check your email for a reset link or further instruction. If you can't recover your account via Supercell ID, you have to go to the settings and tap Help and Support. Then you can tap on chat icon from the top right corner. Then select Leave a message. You can provide as many details as possible like your in-game names, email address and any purchases history to help them assist you. And that's it. You should be able to recover your Clash Royale account and continue playing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.